Hello friends. I want to show you the easiest and most natural way to learn a foreign language, namely the method by which children learn to speak. This method consists of learning individual words, which we can later connect into simple sentences. In each lesson there are 20 words that you need to learn for the day, and so for 30 days you will learn 600 of the most used Spanish words, which will be enough for you to have a conversation at a decent level. I will give a link in the description from which you can download the words you need to learn. After you download the words, cut and fold the sheet so that on one side is the word in Spanish and on the other its meaning in English. Carry this sheet with you everywhere and read it every free minute until you learn all 20 words in Spanish without helping yourself to look at the back meaning in English. When you learn the first 20 words, print the second 20 and start learning them, but carry the first sheet with you to remind you of the previous words and so on until the last sheet. Review all the previous words to memorize them in your head. If you don't have a printer, you can write the words by hand. So let's get started. First, listen and remember the correct pronunciation of the words, and then move on to independent study.
Yo,
I,
tú,
you,
él,
he,
ella,
she,
nosotros,
we,
ellos,
they,
estar,
to be,
tener,
to have,
comer,
to eat,
beber,
to drink,
ir,
to go,
querer,
to want,
ver,
to see,
escuchar,
to listen,
hablar,
to talk,
aquí,
here,
allí,
there,
ahora,
now,
siempre,
always,
nunca.
never. Now, let's make sentences with the words we've learned so far. Listen to and read the text, and try to understand it.
Hola, yo soy amigo. Tú eres amigo. Yo tengo dinero. Tú tienes coche. Nosotros tenemos comida y agua. Él quiere escuela. Ella quiere trabajo. Ellos tienen casa. Nosotros tenemos familia. Yo como. Tú bebes. Nosotros hablamos. Él ve perro. Ella escucha gato. Día y noche aquí. Escuela allí. Trabajo ahora. Dinero siempre. Coche nunca. Adiós, gracias.